This is Carnival's new island, but is it really worth your day? The party scene surprised me, but this shocked me the most. I've got a food review you need to see, and I'm showing you the real experience. The truth about Celebration Key starts now. Now, when you first get here, your options are to go to the right to the Starfish Lagoon area, which is more for your families and children, or you can go straight back through the castle where your shopping is, or to the left to the Calypso Lagoon, which is more of that party scene. There's also a beach area that we'll check out as well. We'll head to the Calypso Lagoon first, which is supposed to be the largest freshwater lagoon in the entire Caribbean. I wonder how busy this is going to be, and I wonder how wild it's going to be. When we were here on that second day that it opened, people were really, really wild at the Longneck bar. So we'll see. Now, if you want to eat your free meal based off your card, you could just grab one of these beachside burgers right here. They have kind of a kiosk, etc. But we're gonna go try Mingo's. Now I decided to upgrade to a full entree versus the free food. You do get 40% off if you didn't already use your voucher for the free meal. Here's the food and drink menus so you can see the pricing and what they have. You can pause this if you need to take a little bit closer look. What I ordered was a bacon cheeseburger with onion rings. So you can kind of see here, it's a pretty big burger. It ran about $17, something like that. It comes with fries as well. So we'll give this a go. Okay. If you're enjoying this video, be sure to like and click that subscribe button, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm, and we really do appreciate it. That's a really good burger. I think what I'm going to do now is jump into the Calypso Lagoon, maybe grab something to drink here, and see what kind of fun we can get into.
Time to start it, and I know you got it. You with me, let's rock this party. All the girls on the side say, and all my fellas on the side say, tonight we're gonna fly high to the skies, 'cause we're gonna have a taste of the good life. Here we go, here we go, here we go up. We're gonna rock this club till it goes up. Yeah, we're gonna live a good life. Yeah, we're gonna do it all night.
And now this is the Calypso beach area on the ocean side with great views of the ship, really. And we'll make our way down to the beach, take a little look. A couple of bigger rocks right there when you first come in. Water's nice and warm. Water was a little cold in the Calypso Lagoon, but this is nice so far. And yeah, there's some rocks right here. I don't know if this will pick it up, but you can kind of see them. So if you're careful, the rocks kind of are those flat style, and they do have some sand over the top so far. But still, it's not perfect sand by any means. The sand itself is very fine, but you just got to be really careful with where you step. Now I am out, as you can see here, it's about probably 75 feet or so, and now I'm into more just regular sand, which is nice. So yeah, there's that first little bout of rocks, but then all of a sudden it looks like the sand is coming back up, like there was a little dip in it, and now I'm only standing in about 1.5 feet of water. So, and I'm, as you can see, probably about 100 feet out, and it's pretty shallow. Here comes a parade. This will be cool. Okay, so we'll walk through this castle area right here, and we'll go check out and see if there's anything that we might want to buy for a souvenir or anything like that. In the meantime, you can see the Calypso Lagoon over here, and then way over in the back there, you can kind of see another little sunrise. That's where the bar is. That's where the DJ plays, etc. Let's go check out some souvenir shops. So this is where all the souvenir shops are located within this little like mall area right here. A little side note, if you did want to go up on top here, this is where you would find the access for that. We also have a full tour of everything here at Celebration Key from the second day it was open, and I'll put a link down in the description, so check that out. So why don't we just stop in a couple of these places and check things out. And they got your standard t-shirts, Celebration Key merchandise. Oh, they got some hats, magnets. Oh, these are cool. These kind of look like these little sandals here. Remind me of Margaritaville. Got this really cool bottle opener here. It's all metal. So yeah, they got some magnets and stuff in there that I might come back and pick up. I just wanted to look maybe in a couple of the other shops first and check things out. I don't want to buy the first thing I see, so we'll check out a couple of these other shops. Jewels of the Bahamas. Now you do have to be careful in some of these shops. Sometimes if you look at the tags and stuff, it's made in China. So you just got to be careful and check things out before you make a purchase knowing that it might be. Check this out over here. Wow. Oh, that's cool. This little wood. Those are kind of cool. Trying to find something for Anne. I'm thinking a magnet. She likes magnets, but I just want to double check before I go and make a purchase, but I think she would really like that. So, and I feel bad she couldn't make it. So yeah, I'd like to get her a little something. Some walking sticks. We got rum cakes in here. This place was not open when I was here last time. And here they show how they make them. This reminds me of when we were in Nassau. Mama rum cakes. I think I'm gonna go back to that first place and pick up a magnet, maybe two. Okay, mission accomplished. Look at this. Kind of reminds me of the Margaritaville sandal. What do you guys think? That was a fun day. It's my second time here at Celebration Key. Had a great burger, swam in the Calypso Lagoon, did some shopping, tried out the ocean. Just a lot of fun. So what were your thoughts on what you saw today? Was there anything that caught your eye? Leave a comment down below. We like hearing from you. So until next time, take care and happy cruising.